These habits, when done consistently, will make sure you feel more happy, healthy, and it will also improve your overall well being. I have been doing this since months now, and I've seen a very good results out of it, so I'm sharing it with you guys. So, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos. So, let's get started. First, have a slow morning routine. Instead of getting up late and rushing things out, I want you guys to wake up a little bit earlier and have a slow and calm morning routine. I want you guys to enjoy your mornings, okay? Like, wake up in the morning, see outside from your window, then sit with yourself, drink a warm glass of water, and also, if you want, you can do a little bit stretching exercise and dance a little bit. I want you guys to make sure that you feel pretty good and your mood is also good before starting your day and your work. And you can also create your own customized morning routine if you want. But this is the thing you should keep in mind when customizing your morning routine. Second is yoga. So I have done and tried different types of exercises like Pilates, aerobatics, then functional training and different kinds of exercises. But when I started doing yoga, I feel more calm and relaxed. So what is the difference I felt is that in yoga, I've seen, like, whenever I've done yoga, after doing it, I felt more calm and relaxed. And when I do normal exercises, I feel that my body feels more tired, and I also feel body ache the next day. Okay, so I have done and seen that yoga makes me more energized and calming. So if you want, you can definitely give it a try, and also do pranayam, which is breathing exercise after doing yoga. Third is having a 13-hour gap between breakfast and dinner. Okay, so if you are a complete beginner, then you can try to have 12 to 13 hours of gap, and later on you can do 14 to 15 hours of gap if you want. But at least try to have 12 to 13 hours of gap, because it will help you and your body to have a deep clean within. Okay, because I have heard that when we have a long hour of gap between the breakfast and dinner, it helps our body to do more of healing work, to more of digestion work, and also to clean our body in all aspects. So for example, if you are eating dinner at 8 o'clock, 8:30, then you can have breakfast after 9:30. So this is the gap which, if you try to keep, it's very good. So instead of doing intermediate fasting or fasting for a day, I feel that doing this every single day is pretty beneficial for longer run too, and have immense benefit out of it. Okay, fourth is set a timer for your social media apps, and so that you can avoid doom scrolling. So if you are someone who is constantly seeing reels and a lot of YouTube or Instagram, then go to settings. Like in my phone, I've seen, go on your settings, then there is this digital well-being and parental control option, and under that there is this app timer option. Okay, so click on that, then select your social media apps or whatever apps you want to put a timer on, and then 30 minutes or 1 hour, a full day. And then when you cross that limit, that apps would stop totally, that you can't use that apps for the day. So I've done this, and I've seen a lot of good benefits. Like, it has saved a lot of time. Instead of wasting my time on reels, I've put that same amount of time in something else. If you are a content creator, if you are consuming some skills or some content which is very educational, or which is a high value information, or which is helping you, in short, okay, then it's a very good thing. If you're someone who is just wasting your time in this all reels and information which is bringing no good thing, then stop it. Fifth is stop packaged food completely, or if you want to have it once or twice in a month. And also try to stop consuming sugar a lot frequently. Okay, instead of sugar you can consume jaggery and dates if you want. Okay, the alternative of sugar, because this packet food and sugars are all refined in the industries and everything, and it doesn't have much health benefits in longer run. So try to eat very less or try to stop it. Six is drink more water and more often. Okay, if you are someone who is just drinking water in mornings or at evenings and rest of the day you don't drink water, then stop doing it. Okay, you should drink water in almost every 1 to 2 hours, or max 3 hours. In every 3 to 4 hours you should at least drink water, instead of keeping a long gap between the next water break. Okay, and also we know there is a lot of benefits of water, like hydration, skin glowing, and also better digestion. So in a day have 2 to 2.5 liters of water daily. Okay, the next point is 7, which is have more body movement. Okay, if you are someone who lacks more physical movement, or who is most of the time sitting at home or sitting in one place, then you need more movement, because there is a lot of benefit again of movement, such as it helps in better blood circulation, then it helps in better physical stamina, it also uplifts your mind and mood and energy, and also it helps you to remove a lot of laziness, okay, which we have certain days. So when you do physical walks, like physical movement exercise, or walking, running, jogging, anything, you are indirectly making your body more active, fit, and also yeah, it will definitely help you to have a very good physical stamina in longer run. Okay, so make sure to have more body movements every single day. Eighth is do gratitude journaling. Every day before going to bed, make sure to write down three little things that you are grateful for the day. Like it can be simple as food, water, blanket, bed sheet, home, your fan, AC, for your parents, for your loved ones, for your friends, anything, or certain memories or certain events which happened in that day, which made sure that you have a very good mood for the rest of the day. So be grateful for every such things. Ninth is no screen time 1 hour before bed. This helps a lot in your sleep routine. Okay, if you are someone who is not getting sleep at night, you should start to stop seeing mobile 1 to 2 hours before sleep. But I would say start with 1 hour, and then you, if you want, you can go with 2 hour or more. Okay, so try to make sure that you sit with yourself, you do any hobby thing, you read any book, okay, instead of seeing mobile, laptop, TV, because this will improve your sleep quality a lot. Okay, and for me, what I do is that in that 1 hour I do any good thing, like hobbies. I've tried many different things like sketching, then painting, drawing, then some craft work, I do some creative craft work. Then yeah, I write down many different ideas for the next day, I plan for the next day. So if you want, you can do this all things instead of seeing mobile, because these things which I told will definitely calm your mind and will prepare your brain and overall mind for the next day and for the sleep too. The last and the 10th thing is have a good 8 hour sleep. Okay, having a good 8 hour sleep is very necessary for almost everything, for your mood, for your brain, for your body, for your health, for your happiness, for your productivity, everything. Okay, so have a good sleep, because good sleep would help you to wake up early in the morning with a good happy mood and with freshness and activeness in your body. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope this video helps you. And also tell me in the comment section below that out of this 10 habits, which habits you already follow and which you will follow from now on. And yeah, trust me guys, these are a very small little habits, but the effect it has on us on the longer run is immense. Okay, if you want, you can search the benefits in Google out there, because I have seen a lot of videos. I have researched a lot of things on this sort of topics, and I've done it also, and I've seen a lot of good results in my life too. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more such videos, and see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.